Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Belle Chasse Louisiana sits just south of New Orleans on the west bank of the Mississippi River, where the river bends toward the Gulf of Mexico. It's part of Plaquemines Parish, a long, narrow stretch of land shaped by water, storms, and centuries of history. The name Belle Chasse comes from French, meaning beautiful hunt, a nod to the area's early reputation for fertile land and abundant wildlife. Long before modern neighborhoods existed, this region was home to Native American tribes who relied on the river for trade, food, and transportation. When French settlers arrived, they followed the same pattern, building plantations along the riverbanks where ships could dock directly at their front doors. During the 19th century, Belle Chasse developed as a quiet agricultural community, dominated by sugarcane plantations worked by enslaved labor. The Mississippi River was the lifeline of the local economy, moving sugar, timber, and other goods north and south. The river also brought conflict. During the Civil War, this stretch of the Mississippi was strategically important. Union forces moved upriver after capturing nearby forts, cutting off Confederate supply routes and helping shift control of the river. In the 20th century, Belle Chasse began to change. One of the most significant developments came during World War II, when a naval air station was established nearby. Today, that installation is known as Naval Air Station, Joint Reserve Base, New Orleans. It remains one of the largest employers in the area and has shaped Belle Chasse into a community with strong ties to military service and aviation. Life here has always been defined by water, and that comes with risk. Hurricanes have repeatedly tested Belle Chasse, most notably Hurricane Katrina in 2005. The storm caused catastrophic flooding throughout Plaquemines Parish, destroying homes, businesses, and infrastructure. In the years since, residents have rebuilt with a renewed focus on levees and flood protection. Modern Belle Chasse blends small-town life with deep regional importance. It serves as a gateway to the lower Mississippi River, supporting energy, shipping, and seafood industries that are critical to Louisiana's economy. As you watch these scenes, you're looking at a place shaped by the river's power, by global events like war and hurricanes, and by generations of people who chose to stay, rebuild, and call Belle Chasse home. Thanks for watching!